Choosing the right coding tool can make or break your workflow. Today we're comparing Rubymine and Visual Studio Code to help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's dive in. First, Rubymine. Developed by JetBrains, Rubymine is a powerful integrated development environment tailored for Ruby and Rails development. It comes with intelligent code completion, robust debugging, and seamless support for Rails entities like models and controllers. Rubymine also offers database tools and excellent ERB file support, making it a go-to for large Ruby projects. However, it's a paid tool which might not suit everyone, and it can feel heavy on system resources. Next, we have Visual Studio Code or VS Code from Microsoft. It's a lightweight, free, open source code editor that supports multiple languages through extensions. With a vast extension marketplace, you can customize it for Ruby with plugins like SolarGraph for code completion. It's fast, cross-platform, and has built-in Git and terminal support. The downside, Ruby-specific features often require manual setup, and advanced functionality like debugging may not match a full IDE. So, how do they stack up? Rubymine shines for Ruby and Rails developers with its out-of-the-box features, deep code navigation, and refactoring tools. Perfect for large, complex projects. But it's pricier and slower to start. VS Code is free, fast, and flexible, ideal for multi-language projects or smaller Ruby apps, but you'll spend time configuring plugins for optimal Ruby support. So, which is better? Choose Rubymine if you're deep into Ruby on Rails and want a polished all-in-one experience. Go for VS Code if you will need a free, lightweight editor or work across various languages. It's all about your priorities. Try both to see what fits your workflow, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Happy coding!